What's up, y'all? It's here.
大家好
And today we're back with the Adrenalyn XL 1920 Panini Premier League.
Yes,
First season of the Panini Adrenalyn XL Premier League, even though 2021 is upon us.
as you can see here we have the whole box, the sealed box.
Yes.
Yes, we'll be opening 25 packets as usual.
Yes.
Yes.
Your standard packs, £1 per pack. Alright, hopefully we can get some Mason Greenwoods that are pretty expensive and some nice golden baller cards.
Alright, I have no idea what you're talking about, but let's just get straight into it, shall we?
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'll just want to open the seal here. Okay. Very interesting, there's a seal. It's transparent.
Probably a piece of tape. Okay. There we have it.
Yes. Alrighty. We have the whole box over here. And let's just start on the right side, shall we?
Yeah.
Alrighty, and how many variations do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's right. 4 variations. Very nice. Just get straight into the first packet. Let's look at the odds.
So it's 360 base cards and 1 trophy, 6 cards per packet, and all the inserts are right there. Yes, golden ballers are what we're aiming for.
Yes, 6 cards per packet. And let's get straight into it.
Alright, Premier League. First up we have Grealish and McGinn of Aston Villa. Power pairing. Next up we have Andros Townsend, Hero. Next up we have Roberto Pereira, Mario Lemina, Robert Snodgrass, and Son Heung-min.
Alrighty. And what on earth is this? A hero packet. That is...
1 in 2 packs.
Alrighty, and how about this
It's
power pairing?
It's actually a base card. Considered a base card.
Alrighty, and on to the second packet. Alright.
First up we have Socrates, Junior Stanislas,
Yes, the standard Adrenalyn XL codes here.
Ryan Bennett, Keenan Davis, and Son Heung-min, Hero. And triple threat Red Hot Devils. That's first non-hero inserts right there.
And that is a... That is... 1 in 7 packets.
Very nice.
We have a forward, it is...
Sebastian Haller, Jack Grealish, Jahan Bash,
Alright,
Neil
lines.
Taylor, and James Milner, Game Breaker.
Yes, Game Breaker is a...
1 in 6 packs, I believe.
I have no idea. Yeah, it's 1 in 7 packets.
Yes. And Phil Foden, Diamond,
Which is
1 in 6 packs.
1 in 6 packs. Very interesting designs of cards here.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
What pack is this? 12th pack.
Yes, that is right.
Joe Linton,
The 5th packet. Actually.
Dean Henderson, back at Man U. Christian Atsu, and Callum Robinson. We have Ollie Norwood, Hero, and the power pairing of Redmond and Ward-Prowse.
And on to the next packet.
Defender, we have DeAndre Lietlin, Kieran Freeman, Toby Alderweireld, 500 coins, interesting. Trophy card, oh okay.
Nice.
If anyone wants the points, you can have it then, I guess. Lukas Fabianski, Hero, and Alexandre Lacazette, Elite, 1 in 7 packets.
That's right, there are 21 elites in the collection.
Goodness me.
On to the next packet. We have a goalkeeper. It's first.
First up we have Kepa Arrizabalaga, not very good. Tom Davies. Jamie Vardy.
What?
John Stones. Jay Rodriguez. And power pairing of King and Wilson. Wow, that was quite a disappointing pack.
That's a base packet. Play.
Wow. Marco Stipman. Victor Lindelof. Lon. Rodri. Marcus Rashford, Golden Baller. Alrighty, that's 1 in 50 packets. Very nice. Okay. Yeah.
That's right, 1 in 50 packets.
Top hit right there. Sadio Mane. And Phil Foden. Base. Yeah, that's not a bad card. Next pack, we have the triple threat of the Buzzing Hornets. Roberto Firmino, Seamus Coleman, Jordan Henderson, Solly March, and James Chester.
That is right, eh? And on to the
Next pack.
next packets. I lost count already.
First up we have Harvey Barnes, Diamond, Luka Miljovic, Davide Zappacosta, Mohamed Elyounoussi, Craig Cathcart, and Roman Saiz. Okay, a lot of names that I haven't heard before. This is a how to play guide. Steve Cook, Game Breaker. Hero, John McGinn.
Double hits.
Chris Smalling. Jamal Lewis. Hector Bellerin. Adam Smith. And Chris Smalling.
On to the next packet. Going through the packets real quick here.
We have a play online thing. Paul Pogba, Elite.
It's extremely trash over there.
Goalkeeper, Alisson.
Top keeper.
Yes.
Alright, double hits again.
Pierre-Emile Højbjerg. Actually now of Spurs. Virgil van Dijk. Richarlison. Christian Pulisic. And that's it. Very nice. Alrighty, first up we have the power pairing of Dunk and Duffy. Next up, Roberto Firmino, Hero, Richard Stearman, Bjorn Engels, Jürgen Locadia, N'Golo Kante, and that's it. Savage Skills, Nathan Redmond. Oh, it's the awesome foursome of Walker Stones, Otamendi, and Laporte. Obviously, actually not very good. Oriol Romeo, Tom Cleverley, Jamal Tarkowski, and Wayne Hennessy. Next pack, we have Kasper Schmeichel, Elite. Yes.
97 defense.
Matteo Guendouzi,
Interesting.
Ruben Vinage, Anwar El Ghazi, and Ricardo Pereira, and Fernandinho. Next up we have Game Breaker, Mark Noble. Hero, John Joe Shelby.
Still around here.
Yes. Dale Stephens, Ashley Westwood, Ki Sung Young, John Fleck.
Alright, okay. On to the next packets.
We have Pedro, Savage Skills. Hero of Luka Miljovic,
Double hits.
James Ward-Prowse, Andre Gomez, Joel Matip, Matic,
Interesting.
and that's it.
And on to the next packets.
Power pairing of Chilwell, now of Chelsea, and Pereira. Goalkeeper we have Ederson. Moritz Leitner, Tom Tribal, Moussa Diempo, and Darian Matt. Okay. Next up we have the power pairing of Kante and Jorginho. Hero of James Maddison.
Again.
Jordan Ibe. Ainsley Maitland-Niles. Eric Dyer. Mikel Antonio. And that's it.
On to the next packets. On to our last 6 packets.
Next we have Kyle Walker Elite. Paul Pogba yet again. Lukas Fabianski. Ryan Fraser. Diego Jota. And Ken Sema.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, power pairing of O'Connell and Basham. Pascal Gross, Hero. James Milner. Joao Moutinho. Felipe Anderson. And Ben Davies.
On to the last 5 packets.
Yes. Gerard Deulofeu. Triple threat of the villains. Rob Holding. Angelo Ogbonna. Nathan Redmond. And Tim Krul.
Interesting. On to the last 4 packets. Still no sign of that card there.
Leroy Sané Elite now of Bayern Munich. Jesse Lingard, Hero. LOL. Moussa Sissoko. Yannick Vestergaard. Anthony Martial.
What?
And Alisson.
Interesting. 88. Is that it?
Yes.
Yes. On to the second last packet.
Third last pack.
Oh, third last packet. It was quick.
Max Aaron's Diamond.
Double hits here.
Chris Wood, Hero. Gylfi Sigurdsson. John Egan. Fabian Shaw. And Leroy Sané.
On to the second last packet. That was really quick, but it's been 11 minutes.
Moussa Sissoko, Game Breaker.
Double hits here.
Glenn Murray, Hero. Decore. Bowley. Walcott.
Phil Walcott still around here.
Yes. And Giroud.
Alright.
Last pack of the first half of the box. And we have Elite of Christian Eriksen, now of Inter Milan. Emerson. Trezeguet. Martin Montoya. And last but not least, we have Glenn Murray and Wesley Moraes.
It's all the base packets and all the base cards here.
Yes, but the hit certainly has to be the Marcus Rashford Golden Baller.
Alrighty. Just find it here real quick. Some double hit packets here. Alrighty, where is it? 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 There you go.
Very
That's
nice.
right,
Golden Ball.
essentially the 101
Under Club.
Yes, that is right. This has been just here bring you yet another Adrenalyn XL Premier League.
Yes.
Sounds very weird indeed.
Yeah, so we'll see you soon for the second half of the box. Goodbye.
Goodbye, さようなら、また来週。
Annyeong.
Bye bye.